Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you this PR package that I got from Nail Reserve. Thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending these over to me. Be sure to stay tuned because these colors are so pretty. I am going to go ahead and swatch these for you. If you have never used Nail Reserve gel polishes before, they are a 21 chemical free brand, and most traditional nail polishes have 21 harmful chemicals in them, and Nail Reserve actually doesn't have it. They are vegan, and they are also cruelty free, and they are healthy for your nails. Their ingredients are just safe and they do not damage your natural nails. They are a very high quality product. I highly recommend that you go ahead and check them out if you've never used Nail Reserve products before. And you can go ahead and use my discount code that I have on screen. And also, I will go ahead and leave it linked in the description box below. Go ahead and visit the Nail Reserve website that I have linked in the description box, and you can go ahead and save 50% off your first order of 2 products or more. So go ahead and try them out. And then also they do have a promotion going on right now, actually, that if you go ahead and use their code PANCAKE, you will get 60% off site-wide. So now is a great time for you to go ahead and try out their products. I highly recommend them. I use them all the time. They have sent me previous PR packages in the past, and I absolutely love their products. Their gel polishes are the absolute best. All of the Nail Reserve gel colors that I am showing you today are 1 coat coverage, but off camera I am going to go ahead and just make 2 coats. I will cure in between each coat as I swatch them for you. Their gel polishes are just so creamy and they just level out so perfectly. I've never had any problems with Nail Reserve gel polishes. I use them to do nail art. They are so highly pigmented. Their formula is just amazing. I've never experienced gel polishes like Nail Reserve before, and they are very affordable. So I highly recommend you go ahead and pick you up some if you are starting to do your own nails at home and you want to go ahead and just use some high quality products at an affordable price. Nail Reserve is the place for you to go ahead and shop at. They did come out with new products. They did come out with some poly gels and some builder gels. And I did go ahead and receive their Rosy Fusion, which is one of their builder gels. So I am going to go ahead and use that in today's video. Builder gels are used to give strength to either your natural nails, or if you're doing press-ons like me, to go ahead and give those extra strength so that they don't crack or break. So I'm excited to try them out. The color is just absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. I am just finishing up swatching out the colors, and I will go ahead and lay those colors out for you. I did go ahead and do 2 coats off camera. I did the second coat. I did go ahead and cure in between. And then I am going to go ahead and wipe off the tacky layer from the builder gel, because it did leave a slight tacky layer. It wasn't too bad, which is great. I have used other builder gels in the past and they have been super sticky, but this builder gel was actually really nice. The consistency was a really nice formula. It wasn't too thick, it wasn't too thin, it didn't run all over the sides. And for me, for using builder gel, I do go ahead and hold the nail upside down just so that it levels out, but it did it really fast on its own, so I really didn't have to hold it upside down very long. As you can see, all of these colors are just absolutely beautiful. This builder gel, I can't wait to use it on more of my nail designs. So thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending these over to me. I really appreciate it. I absolutely love your brand. So to get started with the nail design, I am starting off with my medium Coffin full cover nail tips, and I did go ahead and apply primer and base coat off camera. So I am going to go ahead and take that new builder gel. I'm so excited to use this stuff. I absolutely love making my press-on nails, you know, strong and durable so that they don't crack or break. So I will go ahead and just apply a nice thin layer over all the nails, and then I will cure for 60 seconds, and then off camera I am going to go ahead and apply a second layer, and then I will cure for 60 seconds again. And as I mentioned before, I am going to go ahead and hold the nails upside down just so that the builder gel pulls from the sides and just go ahead and levels out towards the middle. And then once I am finished with that, after I do the second coat, I am going to go ahead and get started with the design. So really quick, I did want to go ahead and just ask that if you are new here to my channel, I do create press-on nail content. I have been building my channel up for a little over a year now. I did take a break for a little while and started making inventory for my press-on nail business, but that was really time consuming and I really missed making full length videos. So I am going to go ahead and start doing that again. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching nail content, and be sure to like the video. It helps my channel get pushed out there to others that enjoy nail videos. I love watching nail videos when I'm cooking, when I'm cleaning. I like to just turn around and just watch and see what's on, or just listen to anybody that's having a chatty video. I love chatty videos. So this video is pretty much me going to be talking the whole entire video. I hope that's okay. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you're feeling generous, and thank you so much for being here. So back to the video, I am going to go ahead and take that really pretty nude color. I absolutely love this nude color. I've been in search for like the perfect nude, and that's exactly what I have here. And then I am going to go ahead and apply that to the pointer finger and the ring finger. And then for the thumb, middle, and pinky, I'm going to use this gorgeous burgundy color. This color, I've needed like the most perfect burgundy, and I finally found it with Nail Reserve. Thank you so much. I absolutely love these two colors. That's why I'm using them today. And I am going to go ahead and apply a thin coat over all the nails, and then I will cure for 60 seconds, and then I will come back and apply a second coat off camera. So here's how they look after I've applied 2 coats. The colors are absolutely amazing. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply just some abstract lines on the nude colors. So I am going to go ahead and just take my liner brush that I got from Temu and just make some really simple abstract lines. Like, I wanted to keep this nail set really simple but pretty at the same time. I usually make nails with a lot of details, such as rhinestones, charms, and all that, and this time I actually just wanted to make a really nice nail design for fall. So I did go ahead and decide, after I cured that abstract line of the burgundy color, that I was going to add the gray. I just thought that just made the perfect accent color for the nude and the burgundy. Look at that. Look at how cute that looks. So simple yet so elegant. So after that, I did go ahead and cure for 60 seconds again. And then I am going to go ahead and take the glossy top coat, also from Nail Reserve. And I will go ahead and apply a nice layer over all the nails. I did want to go ahead and leave these nails glossy. I was debating if I should make a matte, but I love glossy nails. I just love having that high shine. And Nail Reserve's top coat is very shiny, and it's also non-wipe top coat, which is great, so that's a plus. So I did go ahead and apply that coat over all the nails, and then I cured for 60 seconds. And then after I was done curing those in the lamp, I will go ahead and show you how they look here in just a second. They're so pretty. I was so excited with this nail design. It was so simple yet so elegant, and these are the colors I used to wear all the time when I was younger. I used to love wearing burgundy and just this really pretty nude color. Those were always my go-to colors. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it in the sunlight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to use my code at checkout whenever you visit the link in the description box. Be sure to pick you up some Nail Reserve gel polishes. Their gel polishes are the absolute best. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Goodbye.